Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at the long time released and sold out Spinnaker Croft Midsize skeleton. I say long sold out as it was a limited run of 1,000 pieces, and due to a post office mistake I got the one for the review a couple of months after they were all gone. But it's here, so we might as well make a review. The model is based on the Croft Midsize that I already reviewed, and you can check that video out by clicking on the link in the corner of the screen. This Croft Midsize fixed all the issues I had with the original Croft, from the size that has dropped to 40mm to the loss of the second subdial in exchange for a proper centered one. The 40mm diameter combined with a short lug-to-lug of 47 and female end links, which are solid by the way, mean this will wear great on any size wrist without any overhang. The one thing that makes it less appealing to me is the thickness. 14mm is not huge, but due to the smaller size of the watch, it does make it look a bit chunky. Luckily, the sloped bezel and overall a thinner case profile does help with it somewhat, while the solid link bracelet and the milled out clasp make it balanced rather than top heavy. When it comes to the bezel, I love the design, not only due to the sloping, which does kinda make turning it a bit harder but prettier, but also the insert. Despite not being ceramic, it looks and feels like one. Matte black with clear cutouts for the numerals, it really looks amazing, while the fact the sapphire crystal sits proud of the bezel should keep it relatively safe from scratches. The movement powering the watch is a Seiko NH70, which is a skeletonized no-date version of the NH35. So it has the same 21,600 beat rate, comes with hacking and hand winding, and unlike some pretend no-date watches, pulling the crown to the first click actually stops the movement, meaning there is no ghost click used for the date. The movement and dial are the only difference between the regular Croft and this one, as the dial is transparent with a slight brown tint. After seeing the pictures, I didn't really like it, but after seeing it in person, I have to admit I changed my mind. It gives a bit of an Artisans de Geneve vibe to it and makes it look more expensive than it is. The one bad thing about this skeletonization is that they reduced the size of the hour markers and pushed them all the way to the edge to make the movement more visible. That has sadly affected the legibility that is nowhere near as good as on the regular Croft, especially in the dark, where the lower loomed surface really shows its weakness. It has also made the hands look too short for my taste. Despite these shortcomings, the watch is really well made. Everything is well finished and very clean. It will not blow your mind, but it is more than okay. Even the traditionally coarse brushing found on hands of Spinnaker watches has more uniformity with this one. Sadly, being sold out means your only bet is to get one used, if you want something resembling Artisans de Geneve at a fraction of the price. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.